do this.
All right, let's see how it comes out.
What's up, guys? We are the mighty Griffins, and today we're going sledding and doing a science experiment.
What are we doing for our science experiment?
Volcano in the snow. But before anything, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.
And let's do this, Noah.
Yeah, let's do this. Let's go fun first.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
You want a bungee jacket?
Oh, let's go. Hey guys!
Who are we?
Who are we?
We
are
are
the Griffins, the mighty Griffins.
We are the Griffins.
Go. Watch out for that little kid.
Jump in.
Alright guys, we're gonna make a volcano now.
And the things that we need are
Baking soda. What's this? Vinegar.
soap
And
All right.
food coloring.
and food coloring. So we made a little volcano and you put a little bowl in the middle. Okay, so dump your baking soda in first. Okay. All right.
Add the vinegar
In a separate cup.
in a separate cup.
All right, so put a lot of vinegar because the more vinegar,
The more it explodes. Okay.
fill.
Oh.
Put more.
Put more.
All right, good.
Food coloring.
Little food coloring to give it some color.
Okay. Now I help. Green.
What color did you guys pick?
Green.
Some green.
Can we make that's like
All right, and Noah's gonna add some soap. Want me to add the soap for you, Noah?
yeah.
All right, this is for Noah.
Can I add it?
We'll add some soap, and soap makes it extra fuzzy. All right, now everyone back up away from
Me and Quinn go apart.
This is our.
Get ready to run. Hopefully it goes high.
This is our volcano.
Might not go that high.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Wait, hold on. A little bit more red.
Oh boy, can never have enough baking soda.
Okay.
Ready, Noah? Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Say, let's do this.
Let's do this.
All right, let's see how it comes out.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What do you guys think?
I love it. I like it.
Should we do one more volcano over here?
Yeah!
What do you think, Noah?
Can we all do our own?
After, yeah.
And make sure to go follow our TikToks.
All right, follow our TikToks. What's your TikTok?
26 WIllow Alvarado.
I'm Auntie Erin. That's that sweet boy Noah.
Quinny Style 1, 2, 3.
All right, and we're gonna make another volcano right over here.
Kick it down.
Let's kick. Whoa! No, you'll get all green. Don't kick it down. Don't kick it down.
And follow. And on TikTok, follow Aaliyah Alvarado. Alvarado.
No, you'll turn green if you do it.
No. Follow Alvarado Aaliyah.
You'll turn into a boogie if you do
That's
that.
my sister.
All right, we're gonna make one more. So Quinn's gonna dump in. Get a new cup, Willow, so you can start building the other cup.
Blue.
Quinn's gonna do the volcano. I mean the baking soda.
Can I do it all now? Can you make us one all that we can do it all by yourself?
Yeah, you guys can build one after.
And some bacon and some
We need the vinegar.
vinegar and some soap.
We need some vinegar and dish soap.
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh wait, I'm gonna use them.
All right. So Willow has the vinegar.
I can't open it.
I'll pop it open for you.
Okay.
Dump that
Make
vinegar
sure
in
you
there.
have a parent.
Oh, don't do that. All right, that's good. Now we need
Some food coloring and
food
soap.
coloring.
With soap. Soap.
What color did we choose? Don't lose the caps to my
Blue.
food coloring.
Blue.
So mom of me.
Blue.
Let's add some dish soap. Quinn, can you cover that
Need to
food
open
coloring
it.
for me?
Can you? I don't have clothes. And
Okay.
just pour it on.
All right, that's good. That's good.
Can I pour it into the volcano? Yeah.
What do you think? You ready, Noah?
Yeah.
What do you say? Look in the camera and say it. Noah, what do we say?
Mighty Griffins.
No, let's.
Do that.
All right, ready?
Can I help?
And then we're gonna make a snow angel after. Back up. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
That's so
No. And that's how you guys make a
Volcano! Now let's knock it down. Alright guys, we're gonna make a snow angel now. Guys, this is really fun. You should try all of this stuff. Make sure to subscribe also.
All right, let's see. Oh boy. I don't know if you guys, oh, well there's a good angel. Perfect angel. Quinn got a little mixed up into,
Okay, ready?
got a little mixed up into Willow's.
Don't come close.
Let me get Quinn over here. All right. Oh, separate angels. This might work this time. Ready, Quinn? And it's a perfect snow angel. Let's see, 2 perfect snow angels. All right, guys. Now, what do you say?
Mighty Griffins, mighty Griffins.
Make sure you